So why does the iPad freeze when you play a game, right? So that's a question a lot of people might have, and there are some reasons for it. It depends on your iPad, like the older the iPad, the more likely it becomes, but generally speaking, there are some reasons why it is happening. Most likely, it is because your CPU load is like too much or more than it can handle. And this might be caused by more things running in the background while you also play your current game. So you can open up the settings, tap on general, and find the background app refresh. And as you can see in my case, I literally have every single app to be which is allowed to be refreshed in the background, right? So in reality, it means that I'm playing my game, but all of the other apps can access the internet while I don't even have them open up, right? So apps like weather or notes, all of the like social media and web apps are constantly using the CPU, like the computer, the chip of the device, even though I don't really need them. So the good step would be to just turn it off completely and make sure that only the game can actually use your chip, right? So it doesn't use it for anything else. Besides that, you can also play with some other options. Like if you go to the focus section of your iPad, you can set up a gaming focus mode, which will in fact block some notifications and some other things which might interrupt you and also the iPad when it's running smoothly, right? So you can set up the focus mode and you block out all of the connections and notifications and everything. And then there are also some general things like ensuring that your iPad is running the latest version of the iPad OS, as well as the game that you're playing is also up to date. You can check it out on the App Store and you can look it up right there. Make sure that there isn't the update button, and if there is, just click it, install the update, and you should be fine as you are already running the latest version of everything, right? Obviously, resetting the iPhone, like performing a quick reboot every once in a while, can only help you as well. So yeah, there are plenty of these minor things which put it together might actually help you and help the iPad and not get frozen while gaming. So let me know if any of these helped you. Most definitely subscribe for the next videos and guides like this one, and I will catch you later in the future videos.